How na dey my better people? My name na Nelicious. If today na the first time wey you dey hear my voice and you never see my face, make you touch that red button to subscribe. That one no go cost you anything. For inside today video, so I go show una how to prepare this better native coconut rice wey carry weight. You see as the fowl dey on top of the rice, open leg. Now so the rice dey sweet, dey enter medulla oblongata. This one na red oil rice. E no go need plenty English. So make we check the ingredients together. But if you never click on the red button, wait till you dey wait. You go need 1.5 tablespoon of cooking salt. No. This one a tablespoon of thyme with rosemary wey don gum body together. People they call this one bay leaf. Teaspoon of black pepper. 1 onions, whether na red or na white onions, no matter. You go also need your seasoning cubes. This one na not cube. No mean say you no go use any Maggi way you like. This one na better native chicken. The fowl is strong like say tomorrow no day. I don already wash everything wey dey the fowl belle comot, wash am well. And this one they call am smoked salmon fish for English. I get video on how you go take smoke your own fish by yourself for inside your house. As I don wash the chicken well, I wash am inside, wash the outside, even use warm water to rinse am. I go put am for inside this pot. We no go cut am. I go carry 3 nut cubes come put on top of am. I go put the black pepper for inside am. I go put the cooking salt join am. But I no go put all the salt now. I go come put the thyme and rosemary wey gum body together. Throw away the bay leaf for inside the pot. Come carry the onions put on top of am. I no go cook this chicken with plenty water, but I go just put water wey go reach to take cook am. But the water no go cover the chicken body finish. If I put the water finish, I go come turn am well so that all the ingredients go enter the chicken body. I go cover and make it cook 15 minutes on each side. I go come let the chicken cook on im belle like this for 15 good minutes as I cover am so. And after 15 good minutes, we go check the chicken. You see as the chicken dey paranoid, dey boil for inside the pot. I go use spoon take turn am on im back. As I turn am so, I go carry the stock water dey put for inside the chicken belle so that e go cook well for inside and outside. I go come cover am, make this chicken cook on im back for 15 good minutes. As the chicken dey cook, make I show una another ingredient here. This one na red oil, palm oil. This one na coconut milk, wey thick like say tomorrow no day. The weather na im make am come be like say e don dey block. So this one na shredded coconut. This one na long green chili. I go still wash am comot the seed for inside im body. This one na normal pepper. And this one na red long chili, where I go still wash comot all the seeds wey dey in body. So for Naija we dey call this one curry, but for here they dey call am basil. Another thing again here na capsicum. Na only one na you go need. I go still wash and comot the seeds. And I go show una the remaining ingredients wey be the rice with the crayfish. But as the pot don hot, so make I add the palm oil for inside this pot. I go let the oil melt well before I go put any other thing, but I no go let am bleach. As the oil don melt, I dey put the onions for inside, and onions wey I already cut. As I put the onions finish, I just take the spoon dey run am so that the onions with the oil make dem gum body together for inside the pot. You know, that kind thing. I go come carry the 2 nut cubes come put for inside am. Carry the salt follow am. Put am for inside. Come turn am well so that all of them go just dey gum body for inside the pot. This one na the pepper capsicum and the long chili as they call am for oyibo. I go come put am for inside the pot, pack all the red pepper put inside am. If you be person wey no too dey like pepper, you fit use the red capsicum, but you go squeeze the water of the red capsicum comot too with the seed. You know say capsicum dey get water pass normal long chili. So as I put am finish, I just dey turn am well. I go let am make e just steam on e own. Make we check the chicken, see how far wey the chicken don go, the fowl. You see as the fowl, e don cook for back, come cook for front. The aroma wey dey comot for this native fowl, oh my God. I dey comot the fowl now, I go come set am aside. I no wan fry am because everything just dey with this fowl. As I dey comot the bell leaves wey I take cook the chicken, I still dey use one eye dey touch light the pepper wey dey for inside pot. You no need to give am space, because if you give am space, na so the pepper go start to dey burn. So just take your spoon, make you take the spoon take dey run am, make e for no burn. As the water don dey boil, na this boiling water na we go take parboil the rice. E good make you parboil your rice with boiling water. I dey add the 4 cups of rice for inside a pot. If you parboil your rice with boiling water, your rice e no go too drink water. I go come use the spoon take run am, make the rice for no too much gum body for inside the pot. Come cover am, make e parboil for 10 good minutes. I go carry this green pepper wey I don comot the seed, give am rough blending with style. Come put am for inside this pepper wey don fry. So if you put the green pepper the same time wey you put the red one, if you fry am finish, the green one e go come change color one kind, e go even dark. So e good say make you fry the red one first before you go come add the green one, so that the color go look good for eye. Una know say eye dey first eat before mouth. Now see as the pepper don dey, so I fry the red one for like 15 minutes, come fry this one for like 5 minutes, and after 10 good minutes the rice e don parboil. I go come rinse am well with another cold water, turn am well, rinse am, come set am aside. If you're enjoying this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button to subscribe. I go come carry the chicken put for inside a pot, come carry the pepper we would already fry with a sweet, so come dey rub am for all the chicken body. I go come use the pepper rub am for everywhere for him body. Carry the pepper self put for him belly, make it go round. Just pepper the chicken well. As you dey rub the pepper for inside the chicken body and in belly, you go dey turn the chicken so that the red oil sauce with the pepper go dey enter inside the chicken belly. Make the chicken dey absorb the red oil too. That one go make am sweet well. As the fowl dey shine, na so e dey sweet. I go come set am aside. The pepper sauce is still dey pot. Now this remaining one, now we go come take cook the rice. I go come comot 1 big spoon, put am for inside plate, keep that one side. You go see wetin we go take and do later. I dey put the rice wey we don first parboil before. We no get plenty starch, because say we don parboil and wash the starch comot. I go come put the native chicken water, come use the spoon run am, come put the coconut milk. No forget say this one na native coconut jollof rice. I go come use the spoon run am, make everything gum body together for inside the pot. The palm oil, the coconut milk, the meat water, everything made a mix together with the local sauce we will fry, wey be the pepper. I dey put the smoked salmon fish. That one no mean say you no go use any fish wey you like. I go come put the crayfish. This one na 2 tablespoons of crayfish. I go come carry the remaining salt put for inside the pot, join everything together. I know say you go to imagine why I no fry the pepper, onions and red oil together. Now because I no want make the crayfish enter the chicken body. Now you make I put am last together with the fish. Make it do the work for inside the rice body, no be for the chicken. You see and say the rice water now almost the same level as the rice. I go come cover am make it cook until the rice don almost dey done. After few minutes, the aroma, may we check the rice, may we know how far. You see and say, be like say the oil no catch am. Na lie o, all the ingredients, they don't go bottom pot, go sit down. The water, it remains small. Make it dry finish. I go come put the shredded coconut. If you put am early, the coconut it fit overcook. So I dey like put am when the rice water don almost dey wan dry. So that if you dey eat am, you go dey feel the crunchiness. I go come cover am make the rice done finish. And after few minutes, oh my God, hey, oh my, the aroma, I just dey put the basil leaf on top of am. This one wey we dey call Naija curry leaf. If you wan buy this basil leaf, no buy the Thai one o. They get two type in case say you dey abroad. You see how say the rice water don dry finish and the rice e don straight, e don done finish. You see wetin I tell you. You see as I dey turn am, the color dey come out small more because the ingredient e dey go bottom pot go sit down. I go put more basil leaf inside am wey be the curry leaf because I want make the vegetable catch am well well. So I just dey put am now for inside am. I go come dey turn am. Una remember say e get one sauce wey we keep for one place wey we comot as we fry the sauce. Hey, I go carry the sauce now come put for inside am. Make all of them gum body together as I go turn am now. As I put the veggie finish, I'd already off the stove. Make the veggie for no overcook. It sweet me for body, so I no cook this rice, make it small. Because as I taste the rice, now so it enter my medulla oblongata. Hey, bread and this rice, it sweet no be here. I go come carry the fowl, come put on top of this rice, make it sit down on top of am. You see as the fowl sit down on top of the rice, open legs so. With all the pepper wey dey in body, now so I go take sit down for ground take hand, take enjoy the fowl, tear am into two. If this native coconut jollof rice dey sweet you for body as e dey sweet me for belle, so abeg make you follow me on IG because e be like say this kind rice e get first class for yumminess. I don't even know where the rice sef with the fowl graduate come from. Abeg make you let me know in the comment section the university where this native fowl with the native jollof rice go. I go see you now for my next video. Share my video with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.